kids, welcome to Movie Planet. Today, we did ABCDs. What do it? Okay. A is for apple. Apple. B is for balloon. C is for cookie. Cookies. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. For fish. For fish. G is for golden. Golden. H is for hammers. There is a screw and what? We go. And I is for ice cream. There's chocolate syrup and ice and cherries and some sprinkle. J for jiggly. Jiggly jug.
Juggler.
K is for tell. Tell me, Mama. Tell.
Kite.
Kite. That's right. There is a wake up to far. There's flowers and the wind and the exit. L is for limit. Limit. M is for moon. Moon. N is for rest. Rest. O is for octopus. Octopus. O is for octopus. There's a fish. There's a crab. There's a fish. There's a jellyfish. There is a fish. And there's an octopus. P is for pencil. Pencil. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. S is for scissor. E is for chili. U is for U is for universe. Underwear. V is for violin. G is for web. Web. X is for X-ray.
X-ray.
Like that.
Yeah.
Y is for yolk.
Yacht.
Z is for dress.
Zoom.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye, kids.